What's up, guys? I'm here in the shop. Bill's not here right now. He might come later, he might not, whatever. So today I'm gonna start. I don't know if I'm gonna finish. It's already almost 9 o'clock. I work tomorrow, so I don't have to go to bed super late. But tomorrow I'm gonna try to start the steering column, drop that column, and then over here we have the Motion Raceworks. Ignore all the laundry. Motion Raceworks, lightweight column and steering wheel. So I'm gonna update you guys in a little while. It's pretty straightforward. Take out all the plastics. This one doesn't have the hub like the other ones do. So it's literally that bolt there, 1, 2, and there's a lower one, 3, 4. And then from the inside, it's supposed to have a bolt, but don't look how we have it rigged up. We have it rigged up because our K member was supposed to be for a manual rack. So I'm waiting for the joints and stuff, so we have to zip tie it. Ignore that, but there's supposed to be a bolt. You'll loosen the bolt, and then once you drop those 4 on the inside, pull out the column, and then I'll show you guys the new one. It's looking beautiful. Just installed that right there. We didn't need the one that went out to the side because it would hit the exhaust. So from straight there, I will go down into the radiator. So that one, $30 on Amazon. Billet came out really nice. But I'll update you guys now. I'll unbox the Motion Raceworks and show you guys everything. Catch you in a little while. All right, guys. Column is out. That's the shop dog. That's my dog Lokai, Golden Doodle. She has a bunch of nicknames. Pokes. Pokes, say hi. All right. She wants to say hi, good guys. All right, so it's out. It was literally those two bolts, which went right there, and those 4 studs. 1, 2, 3, 4. You unbolt it. Like I showed you guys earlier. You take out the one down here on the steering shaft. There's nothing there, obviously. And then it pulls right out. If you have any airbags or stuff like that, unplug it, obviously. This car has no airbags, no battery, no nothing, so it came right out like ease. I'll show you now the Motion Raceworks stuff. All right, guys, this is the Motion Raceworks Fox Body Lightweight Column Kit. The steering wheel is optional. I got it with actually the double buttons. Probably use one for the trans brake / 2-step, and the other one probably be a scramble button or a detuning button, either one. So kit is really nice. Steering wheel all leather. They have the one with the stripe. I didn't like it, so I got it bare like that. Looks beautiful. That is for the firewall plate. It's has the O-ring, so if there is a fire, it seals it off really good. It mounts in those 3 spots, and then those 4 for this this little plate here. You leave it loose until it's done, and then once you align everything, because there is a little bit of adjustability with this column, you just rivet those 4 rivets in and you're good to go. Column is really nice made. I got the Strange Engineering detachable hub, really nice. It's welded, everything's welded, nice welds, greased up already. It comes with all the mounting hardware, everything you need, free dum-dums. Kit's really good. Gives you instructions. They even make YouTube videos how to do it. And that's pretty much it, guys. I'm gonna start mounting it up now, and I'll show you guys when it's in the car. It looks beautiful. Can't wait to be there. It's gonna give the car so much nice, better look, lightweight, and ignore all the mess and all the wiring. All right, guys, I'll update you in a little while. All right, guys, a little update. Got the quick release mounted up to the steering wheel, doing the other button now. Bill's here. Bill's getting down and dirty over here. Oh, when the hammer's out, you know stuff is. We just had to take off. Where's the bracket? Back here. Bracket, that's back. Down yonder, right there. Which was holding that. Frick. It's still there. Leave it like that. That's beautiful. So that was holding us up a little bit because Motion Raceworks wants you to put their hardware. We want to put new hardware. Look how rusty that is. Nasty. It was a little bit of a pain in the cañiquis. So now we got to get those last 2 studs in the back and then start bolting up the new one. We'll update you guys in a little while. We're working. Have you heard that? We got the bolts pretty much in. The back ones used 2 spacers, and the other 2 just washer on the top, washer on the bottom, and then the nut. It's looking good. Pretty easy. Nothing too difficult. And up here is where it's gonna be fun for us. This is gonna be the problem. And there's a little high from peel on the inside of the car. But this up here is gonna be a little bit of fun for us because either we have 2 options. We go with the Flaming River rack, or we start rigging things like we do at LPH and just make it work. But for right now, the car cannot steer. But whatever, we'll figure that out at a later time.
Yeah, I'm missing the washer.
I'm watching. Yep, we're done. Yep, you heard that right. Done.
For now.
Actually, probably one of the smoothest installs we've
It really wasn't
had.
that bad at all.
Like,
I mean, we're not done, but it wasn't that bad. The
the
actual
most part.
column is done. We just
our part, we
from
messed
the
up that
column
part.
gotta go to the shaft now.
That doesn't happen to everyone.
What part did we mess up?
That part is. If we had the right things, the steering shaft and all that would be done. But big mix up on things, but that's the way LPH does it.
That's how we do.
Just figure it out and keep going. That's pretty much it. We're gonna show you how everything came out. Us fat guys, get in there now.
Like butter.
Just right in. Like we have Vaseline on our body. We just slip right in.
Nobody wants to see that.
No.
Nobody definitely wants to see that. But
Why, you wanna see me full of Vaseline?
yeah, I got the flash on. Alright. So we got the column in there, got the wheel up there. Looks nice and shiny now, new hardware. Got her done. Oh, we didn't put that cap on.
What cap?
That cap on the end. Yeah, so that cap, it's a little water seal. Let me see if I can get in there. Yeah, this goes
Okay, I gotta rivet it.
up against that. See, there it is. Riveted in there, seals all the water. It's got a new plate in there, looks nice. This is the old one. Look at this thing, looks horrible. Garbage. So she's looking pretty. Let me throw the wheel on there for you guys. Yeah. Hold on. Hold on. Alright, well, that's fine. That's good enough. Got the wheel in there. Pops right off. Little whoop. Get in there nice and easy. And then we got the column coming out there. So now we just gotta mate it up with the column. We might have to buy some pieces, we might not, we don't know yet, we gotta check it out. But
we'll figure something out. That's how we do it.
Headers will come out, alternator will come out, this will all be open. Right through there. And that's it. We got our nice little shop light.
Shop light. Shout out to Milwaukee. Shout out to Harbor Freight. Show them the meats again. They gotta. Oh, they don't know about that. No, they don't know about that.
You don't know about that?
Maybe. Show them the front only. That's it. Show them the front. That's
Well,
it.
I think that was already there, but.
That's all they can see. That's it.
Sheesh.
Right. That's it.
Alright, that's enough for now, ladies
Can't show them that.
and gentlemen.
We'll get into that in a different.
Oh, my bad.
Stop it and then we'll do it. We'll get into that in a different video. So things happen. Another great deal landed on my lap. I don't know why they do, because I'm trying to do certain things, but can't pass up a good deal. We wanted to do motor and work on everything else, but that was actually gonna
Stuff
be
just happens.
that was gonna be one of the last things we were gonna do. But hey, it is what it is.
It is weird, man.
Can't pass up a good deal. Definitely can't pass up a good deal. But shout out to Motion Raceworks. Great quality, fast
Yeah, it looks
shipment.
really good.
You guys could literally text them and they will answer your questions. I was bugging them for like a week.
Yeah, really good customer service with them.
Great.
Really good.
So shout out to them. Shout out to Harbor Freight. Shout out to LPH
Always.
because we're doing things. We're doing things. This car's gonna go fast. A lot of people have looked at it and they're.
I want to go
A
fast.
lot of people are scared of it. It's gonna.
Not a lot of people know we have it though,
We're gonna
except
scare
everybody that
ourselves.
watches the videos.
We're gonna be scared.
I'm just a little bit.
We're gonna have to wear like a little diaper the first couple times we take it out.
Big diaper. Big
Or like
guys.
those puppy pee pads, we'll just lay it out
We'll
there.
just put a pee pad on the chair.
But guys, we're gonna start pumping out content. We gotta finish up the wiring. We gotta get a couple sensors, wiring the fuel pump.
Injectors. Throw
We
the
have the
injectors in it.
injectors. I haven't showed you guys. I told you we had them, but I didn't show them.
We gotta
Show you
install
in
them,
the
though.
next. We gotta install them, and And then we should be ready for our first start. We actually got another fuel tank too, with the sump already installed on it.
You keep telling the stuff, bro.
You gotta give him. You gotta keep him coming back. You gotta keep him coming back.
But yeah, we got a bunch of stuff that we're gonna show you guys.
We got a
It's
good
pretty
deal
awesome.
too, and
It's a
we
good
have
deal.
something appearance-wise on the rear end of the car.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
I forgot
For a steal of a deal.
Yeah, I forgot about that.
Literally. Not stolen, don't worry.
It's not a Miami steal, just a good deal steal.
Yeah.
But
Guys, we're gonna keep pumping it out. Anybody can do this install. It took us under an hour, probably even less.
yeah, it was really
We were
easy.
talking, listening to music, chilling,
Yeah, it was
cutting
really easy.
things. We used our Milwaukee
Yeah, we
saw.
cut one of those little brackets that was on the bottom.
But whatever, guys. You guys can do it. We can do it. Anybody can do it. Keep wrenching. Without wrenching, your projects won't move anywhere. That's it. If you don't wrench it
A little bit every day.
a little bit every day, not even, maybe
Every
one
other
day on the
day,
weekend.
2
If
days
you don't
a
work
week.
on it at all,
Whatever you can do, just do it.
If you don't work on it at all,
It ain't going nowhere.
it ain't going nowhere.
That's right.
And we go.
We gone.
All right, guys. Another me from the future thing again. So on the ending of the video, I didn't end up showing. Actually, I never recorded installing the steering shaft, but I ordered a Flaming River FR 1503 rack because the rack that we had was a power rack with this lines disconnected, and I wanted to do it correct. So with that, I had to get a Motion Raceworks U-joint 916 26 spline to a 3/4 DD U-joint, and from there, and then I had to order the 3/4 DD shaft to convert everything together. It worked out beautiful. I wish I could show you. The car's not here, but when I do get the car, I'll show you guys. But it came out good. Shout out to Motion Raceworks. Shout out to everybody that I've spent money on. But great parts, made in the USA. Can't complain. Everything's turned out good. Anybody can do it. I can do it. You can do it. Get up, wrench every day.